Hi guys, I'm today gonna show you how to change your jaws from internal to external or external to internal holding. So here I just opened up my jaws, there's no alarm, and I'm gonna start my spindle and it's gonna show me the spindle start misoperation alarm, which means if I have my jaws all the way opened, I won't be able to run it. So that means I can chuck only from OD. So what I'm gonna do is reset it and now close the jaws, and now start the spindle and it's running. So I am just running normally default, uh, checking the OD and running the spindle, which is all good. But if I have to go the other way, if I have to grab it from internal ID, then go in machine option, chuck, and then I'm gonna go on spindle, chuck internal. That's what we mostly think how it's gonna run, but let's try it. I'm gonna show you. It's gonna give you alarm. There you go. So I tried running the spindle and it's giving me the alarm, so I resetted it. My jaws all are open now, but it's giving me this alarm now. So I'm gonna reset it. It won't let me reset it now, so close it, and now it's gonna reset. And to do the perfect change, what I have to do is parameter, machine parameter, and then go in letter R180s. So basically I have to change R49 codes. So that code is right now 0001011. I have to change my 0 bit. So in order to change that, I have to go 0001010 input, and now go in position again, machine, chuck, and it is right now internal anyways, reset. And let's try it now with my jaws all the way open, and reset just for the precaution, and start the spindle, and it's working right now. So I am holding from internal diameter. So now I close the chuck, start the spindle, it should give me the alarm. So it's working the opposite way, which that's what we want. So with my chuck all the way open, start spindle, and it's running now. So guys, if you like my video here, please subscribe, share, and hit like, and let me know if there's any other concern or questions. You can ask me in comments and I will try to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you.